皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のAyanaです。Hello everyone, I am Ayana from Auckland Japanese Tutor. I've been uploading step-by-step lesson videos, so if you'd like to develop your learning habits and master Japanese, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn frequency adverbs in Japanese. If you haven't learned any verbs or how to make a simple sentence yet, please check out my previous lesson videos. Let's get this started. はい、では今から形容動詞を勉強しましょう。単語を一緒に覚えていきましょう。We will learn the frequency adverbs, which is called in Japanese 形容動詞。So in this lesson, we will learn some vocabularies at first. So let's start with Japanese adverb key points. So where to place the adverbs? Adverbs is a frequency word in this lesson. So before verbs, okay? And then frequency adverbs describe how often you do things. And then frequency adverbs themselves does not have a polite or casual form. So you can use them with both polite and casual verbs. So you need to change the verb. You need to select the verbs, polite verb or casual verbs. Then certain verbs only used with negatives at the end of the sentence. So you need to memorize, you need to know which one applies to the negative one. Okay, I will explain. So let's start learn the adverbs. Okay, 形容動詞を学びましょう。そう、形容動詞を学びましょう。Start with 1. 大抵 Repeat after me. 大抵大抵よくよく時々時々たまにたまにあまりあんまりめったにめったに全然全然And the following adverbs only use with negatives at the end of a sentence. The first one is あまり. So あまり, it's written in hiragana, is always with negative. Then めったに. めったに means seldom or seldom. 全然 is never. So those three, we use it with negatives. So you can use it in a sentence. I will show you example sentences. あまり運動をしません。Do you know what this means? あまり運動しません。運動 This spell 運動 means exercise ね、exercise. So あまり運動しません means I don't do exercise much, not much. しません is a polite form. So as I explained, frequency adverb itself does not have a casual or formal. So you need to change, you choose the verbs polite. If you want to talk polite, you use ません. If it's informal, casual, well, you can say しない. And あまり運動しませんでした. So ませんでした is a past tense and negative ませんでした. If you're not sure the verb conjugations, I suggest to learn the verb conjugations first. Okay, so let's pronounce together. Repeat after me. あまり運動をしません。はい。 あまり運動をしない。はい。So those two are the same meaning. I don't do much exercise. The last one is I didn't do much exercise ね。あまり運動しませんでした。はい。Okay. Okay, so I will show you the list of the vocabulary we have learned. You better take a note if you need it. So 大抵、よく、repeat after me. 時々、たまに、あまり、めったに、全然。So that's the frequency adverbs which you can place before verbs. And then I show the arrow. So the higher the frequency, the more frequent it is. Okay. Maybe those 大抵、よく、those top two might be very similar. Okay. So let's check what are those words in Japanese to check if mini test if you have memorized. Okay, often, never, usually, sometimes, occasionally. So you can test yourself. Start. はい。では答えを確認しましょう。答え means answer. So 答えを確認しましょう means let's check answer together. さあ、1番。1番 means question 1ね。1番 often is よく。2番 never is 全然。3番 is usually 大抵。4番時々。5番 occasionally is たまに。How did it go? Okay, please memorize those vocabularies. Then next lesson, I will use some example sentences. レッスンはここまでです。お疲れ様。So that's it for the lesson today. Well done with your practice. 見てくれてありがとう。If you'd like to enhance your learning or have any questions, or please enroll in my online courses where you will have access to all my lesson videos and can ask any questions related to Japanese. Please check the description for more details. I will see you in the next video. それではまた。